South Africa's dynamic construction industry offers numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to establish a construction business. With a growing economy and increasing infrastructure development, the demand for construction services remains high. However, entering this industry requires careful planning, adherence to regulations, and strategic execution. This guide outlines the essential steps to start a construction business in South Africa. Conduct market research before launching your construction business. It is crucial to conduct thorough market research. Understand the demand for various construction services, identify potential competitors, and determine the target market. Market research will help you identify niches within the construction sector, for example, residential, commercial, industrial. Understand local building trends and regulations. Gauge the level of competition and their pricing strategies. Identify potential clients and suppliers. Develop a business plan. A well-crafted business plan serves as a roadmap for your construction business. It should outline your business goals, strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. Key components of a business plan include executive summary, an overview of your business, mission statement, and objectives. Market analysis, insights from your market research, including target market and competitive analysis. Business structure, details on the legal structure of your business, for example, sole proprietorship, partnership, or private company. Services offered, a list of construction services you plan to offer. Marketing strategy, plans for promoting your business and attracting clients. Financial projections, budget, funding requirements, revenue forecasts, and profitability analysis. Operational plan, information on day-to-day operations, staffing, and equipment needs. Register your business. Registering your construction business is a legal requirement in South Africa. The process includes company registration, register with the Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC. You can choose to register as a private company, proprietary limited, or any other suitable legal entity. Tax registration, register with the South African Revenue Service, SARS, to obtain a tax number and ensure compliance with tax regulations. BEPS compliance, consider obtaining a broad-based Black Economic Empowerment, BEPS, certificate to enhance your business's credibility and competitiveness. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Operating a construction business requires several licenses and permits to ensure compliance with local regulations. These may include Construction Industry Development Board, CIDB, registration, register with the CID to participate in public sector construction projects. The CID grades contractors based on their financial and technical capabilities. National Home Builders Registration Council, NHBRC, registration. If you plan to build residential properties, registration with the NHBRC is mandatory. Occupational Health and Safety Compliance, ensure your business complies with the Occupational Health and Safety Act, OHSA, to maintain safe working conditions. Secure financing. Starting a construction business requires significant capital investment. Consider the following financing options: personal savings, using your savings to fund the business. Bank loans, approach banks for business loans or overdraft facilities. Investors, seek investment from venture capitalists or private investors. Government grants and incentives, explore grants and incentives offered by the South African government for small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, in the construction sector. Acquire equipment and hire staff. Invest in high-quality construction equipment and tools essential for your operations. Depending on your business focus, you may need heavy machinery, for example, excavators, bulldozers, cranes. Construction tools, for example, hammers, drills, saws. Safety gear, for example, helmets, gloves, safety vests. Hiring skilled and experienced staff is crucial for the success of your construction business. Key personnel may include project managers, construction supervisors, skilled laborers, for example, carpenters, electricians, plumbers, administrative staff, for example, accountants, human resources. Develop a marketing strategy. Promote your construction business to attract clients and build a solid reputation. Effective marketing strategies include online presence, create a professional website showcasing your services, past projects, and client testimonials. Utilize social media platforms for broader reach. Networking, build relationships with real estate agents, architects, and property developers. Attend industry conferences and trade shows. Local advertising: advertise in local newspapers, magazines, and community bulletin boards. Use flyers and brochures for direct marketing. Referrals: encourage satisfied clients to refer your services to others. Focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Delivering high-quality construction services and maintaining excellent customer relationships are vital for long-term success. Ensure adherence to building standards and regulations. Timely completion of projects. Transparent communication with clients. Quick resolution of any issues or complaints. Manage your finances. Effective financial management is crucial for sustaining your construction business. Keep track of expenses, manage cash flow, and ensure timely invoicing and payments. Consider hiring a professional accountant to manage your finances and provide financial advice. Starting a construction business in South Africa is a rewarding endeavor that requires meticulous planning, compliance with regulations, and strategic execution. By conducting thorough market research, developing a solid business plan, securing necessary licenses, and focusing on quality and customer satisfaction, you can establish a successful construction business that stands out in the competitive market. Stay informed about industry trends and continuously adapt to the evolving market to ensure the growth and sustainability of your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful articles.